My dear students, competitive chemistry JEE NEET 2025 forecast. Mncl4 2 minus. Predict the hybridization and geometry and magnetic nature of Mncl4 2 minus. You see, what is the name of this complex? Chlorine atoms are 4. Tetrachlorido, tetrachlorido manganate 2. Okay. Here Mn x plus 4 into Cl minus 1 is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 2. So tetrachlorido manganate 2 ion. You know how to calculate the manganese oxidation state. Let's manganese oxidation x plus 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. X minus 4 is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 2. Okay, 2. Manganese oxidation state 2. Electronic configuration, you know, manganese atomic number 25, 3d5 4s2 configuration. Ground state, we can write 3d5 4s2. Okay, 4p no electrons are there, empty orbital. 4s pair is there. 3d unpaired electrons are there. 4p no electrons are there. Oxidation of manganese in the complex 2. If it in plus 2, what happened? It loses 2 electrons. Manganese loses 2 electrons. So what happened? It loses 2 electrons in s orbital. So we have only 3d5 configuration. Mn plus 2 in the complex is only we have 5 3d electrons. We have 4 ligands are there. Each ligand will contribute one lone pair. So here s orbital, one lone pair. Here 3, 1, 2, 3 p orbitals are there. Each chlorine contribute here one lone pair, here one lone pair, here one lone pair. Total we have 4 ligands are there. So one ligand, that is one chlorine, contribute here one lone pair, here one lone pair, here one lone pair, here one lone pair. So total 4 chlorine atoms contribute 4 lone pairs. Okay, and what happened? Since Cl minus is a weak field ligand, no question of pairing takes place. No question of pairing takes place. So Cl minus is a weak ligand, no pairing. At this no pairing occurs. Hybridization is, this is yes, this is 3p orbitals. So what happened? sp3 hybridization geometry, if it is sp3 hybridization, complex is tetrahedral. So unpaired electrons are there, it shows paramagnetic character. Here S3p undergoes sp3. If it undergoes sp3, geometry tetrahedral. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.